Happy Bisquick birthday, Jim. Hi everyone, Sherry here. Today I'm in a collab with Jim from Jim's Kitchen. It's his birthday. And Tammy from Yo-Yo Max 12 and Anna from Cooking the Books. We all love Jim and we love Bisquick. And we'll all be making something with Bisquick. So welcome to our Bisquick birthday party. Today I'll be making baked Monte Cristo sandwiches. Now this recipe is supposed to be a healthy recipe, but none of my stuff is actually the healthy version of the ingredients, so I hope it will turn out. So what all goes into the baked Monte Cristo sandwiches? 1 cup Bisquick Heart Smart mix. I've got original. 1/3 cup fat-free skim milk. I've got whole milk. 2 tablespoons fat-free egg product or 1 egg white. Okay, I'll go with the egg white because I can. 2 ounces of reduced fat Swiss cheese, thinly sliced. Yeah, it's not reduced fat and it's regularly sliced. 3 ounces of deli style lean or fat-free ham or turkey ham, very thinly sliced. I have the thin slice and it is honey ham. It is not lean or fat-free. It's just regular. 3 ounces of deli style lean or fat-free turkey, very thinly sliced. It is thinly sliced and it is turkey. It is not lean or fat-free. 2 tablespoons strawberry or raspberry fruit spread. I have seedless raspberry. And powdered sugar. And that goes real well with a lean diet, right? So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. Spray an 8x4 loaf pan with nonstick cooking spray. And set it aside. All right, so take a small bowl, dump in your 1 cup of Bisquick. I will leave the original recipe down in the description box below. Put in the 1/3 cup skim milk. I have regular. And the 2 tablespoon fat-free egg product or 1 egg white. I have the 1 egg white. And mix that until fully combined and that it makes a dough. I'm hoping there won't be any difference in this loaf using the fat stuff and not the fat-free stuff, but I guess we'll find out, won't we? Doesn't look like that's very much dough. Hope this turns out. I don't have a backup plan. And set that aside. So take your greased 8x4 loaf pan and put in half of the Bisquick mix. And spread that out. I've got my clean hands because it's going to be sticky. I'm going to wet my hands just a little bit. I don't know, this looks like it's going to be really thin. Okay, I'm going to work on that off camera so I don't have to work around the camera. That's just crazy. So my wet fingers didn't work, so what I did was I just took a back of a spoon and sprayed it with the nonstick cooking spray, and that seemed to work okay. Then take half of your thinly sliced ham. Okay, so we'll put your thinly sliced ham and kind of spread it out. You want to just have it in the middle because we're putting a top layer on it to make a sandwich, and we're going to do it that way. All right, then take half of your turkey. So we're going to put our turkey. Dave could probably eat this whole thing himself. And then put your cheese. And I am just going to, I kind of overlapped them and they aren't very thin. So that could be a problem. So far, so good. And actually the cheese was supposed to go on top of the dough, But I'm thinking in order to spread the fruit spread, it's going to be easier to spread it on top of the cheese. I know this is actually a sandwich for two, so it's not going to be very big. All right, so then we take the remaining ham, and again, I'm not using as much as I normally would. Okay, so we'll do our remaining turkey, like so. Our remaining cheese. Okay, so now I have the remaining cheese. Then we're going to take our remaining dough and put it on top of the cheese. And I'm going to do the same as like what I did with the other one by spraying the back of the spoon and spreading it. And this is not going to be able to go over and attach. So it'll just be a regular sandwich, I'm guessing. I don't know. Everything's moving all over the place. My jelly or my fruit spread is getting to the edge of my pan is getting hot on top of the stove, so everything is spreading out. Should not be doing it on top of a hot stove. We are going to call that good. It's not going to be able to touch the bottom one. Put it in a preheated 400-degree oven for 25 minutes until golden brown. So after 25 minutes, this sad looking thing is done. We'll let it sit for 5 minutes and then we'll dish it up. All right, so after the 5 minutes of rest time, we're going to take and dust it with a little bit of powdered sugar. So here is the baked Monte Cristo sandwich. And rounding out the meal is maple bourbon bacon salad. Let's see what Dave thinks. Happy birthday, Jim.
Happy, is why I'm doing this?
Yes. No, I just thought you looked pretty.
Happy birthday, Jim.
For his birthday, I fixed baked Monte Cristo sandwich.
I've heard of it before. I don't think I've ever eaten it before. This hat's for you, Jim. Well, that's pretty good.
Hopefully it tastes better than it looks.
Well, you know, I thought that was beets or something, and I'm thinking, I don't know, much as I like Jim, I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to eat beets. I'm not a beet person. I shouldn't have said that because now she's going to try to come up with a beet recipe I like.
Oh, me?
I love beets. Man, those things are great.
Oh, good. Then I'll fix you some.
I can't win this. I'm going to shut up. This is good, though. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.